Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to focus on rhythm in an EKG. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to tap the bell in order to get notified whenever my new videos are being published. Okay, so let's start with rhythm. In previous video, I mentioned that whenever we are determining rhythm in an EKG, we have to ask 5 questions from ourselves. But in this video, I want to focus on first 4 questions and not heart rate. So we are starting with our first question. Do we have P wave in our EKG? If the answer is yes, that's very simple. So we are moving to our next question. But if we don't have P wave in our EKG, then we have to look at our QRS complexes and R to R distance. So if R to R distance are regular, so in this case, we have to see whether our QRS complexes are narrow or wide. So if our QRS complexes are narrow, it means that junctional rhythm exists. But if our QRS complexes are wide, it means that we have ventricular rhythm. And if the answer to this is irregular, so it's very easy. It's atrial fibrillation. Next question. If we have P wave, so we have to pay attention to this fact that are these P waves similar to each other? So if the answer to this question is yes, again, it's very simple and we are moving to the next question. But the problem happens when this answer is no. So we have to see how many types of P waves do we see in our EKG. So if we have 2 different types, so it means that we have PAC, and PAC stands for premature atrial complex. And if the answer is 3 or more, it means that we have 3 or more different types of P wave. It's either MAT or VAP. MAT stands for multifocal atrial tachycardia, and VAP stands for wandering atrial pacemaker. So imagine the answer to this question is also yes. So it means that we have P wave and these P waves are similar to each other, and we want to move to our next question. So are these P waves directed correctly or not? So if our P waves are directed correctly, it means that we have positive P waves in leads 1, 2, 3, and AVF, and negative in AVR. So we are moving to our next question. But the problem happens when our P wave is negative, for example, in lead 1. So in this case, 3 options happen for us. So maybe we have atrial rhythm moving from left atrium, or the leads have been misplaced, or we have dextrocardia. So in determining whether we have misplaced leads or dextrocardia, we have to look at R progression from V1 to V6. So if our R progression exists from V1 to V6, it means that the leads have been misplaced. But if the answer is we don't have R progression, so it means that we have dextrocardia. Imagine that the P waves have been directed correctly. So we are moving to our last question. Do we have QRS complex after each P wave? So if the answer to this is no, it means that after a P wave, we don't have QRS complex. So then we have to pay attention again to our QRS complexes. So we have narrow QRS complex or wide QRS complexes. So narrow QRS complexes give the answer to this junctional rhythm, and wide QRS complexes determine that we have ventricular rhythm. But if the answer to this last question is yes, it means that we have P wave. These P waves are similar to each other. They are directed correctly, and we have QRS complex after each single P wave. So congratulations, you have nodal rhythm. And this is what we have to know about rhythm. If you have any idea about this video, please put comment. And if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends.